Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we renovate the backyard. The first step was planting trees along the fence to create more privacy. Then we sand the deck to get it ready to be stained. We wanted to have some hammocks, and that's why we built this small pergola. Then we paint the brick wall. And the last step was building a big pergola to protect us from the sun, because the summer here is very strong and extremely hot. This is how it used to look. And this is how it looks now. We still have to do a few more things here, which I want to show you in the second video, but this is everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see the second part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!